Assalamu alaikum. Hello dear students, how are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Allah. I am also well. Before starting my class, I would like to introduce myself with you. This is Aklim Akhtar Akhi, Resource Teacher, English, SESIP, Kalidas Kolimuddin High School, Shokhipur, Tangai. Dear students, you know this is a very crucial time for us. The whole world is infected with a deadly virus called corona or COVID-19. All the schools in our country are closed to minimize this loss. In this condition, you are at home for your safety, but the times are passing on, so what to do? Our Honorable Prime Minister has taken an initiative to minimize this loss, that is online class. Through these online classes, you will be able to in touch with your teacher and you can learn. So you can also complete your syllabus. So when the schools will be reopened, you can easily sit for your exam. So welcome to our today's class. Today I will teach you English for today. That means English first paper for class 9 and 10. Before going to the main lesson, I want to show you something. Let's see. Have a look. There is a poster. Have you seen? Okay. Look this picture nicely or attentively. Have a look. This is a water pond. There is a fish, but this fish is crying. Why? There is a shoe, tire, bottles. All the things are unnecessary. So these things make the water dirty. That's why this fish is crying and saying, have a look. You don't trash your own homes, do you? Why trash mine? Really, we don't make our home dirty. That's why this fish is crying. So can you guess what can be the title of this picture? There is water and we are making it dirty. So can you guess? Try to guess, students. What can be the title of this picture? Yes, water pollution. Have a look. Water pollution. Another picture. There are two cars. These two cars are emitting smokes. And there are powerhouses, and also these powerhouses are also emitting smokes, and all smokes contain carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide are not good for our environment. It pollutes our air. So we are polluting air through these activities. So what can be the title of this picture? Can you guess, students? Yeah, air pollution. Have a look. Air pollution. Another picture. Last but not the least, there is a tree. Poor tree. There are no leaves on the branches of trees. Why? The soils are not healthy. Have a look. There is a tire, polythene, shoes, and all the unnecessary things makes the soil dirty and unhealthy. In this way, the soil becomes polluted. So what can be the title of this picture? Yeah, I know. You are shouting at home. This is soil pollution. Water pollution, air pollution, soil pollution. Water, air, soil. All the things are elements of our environment. So if we pollute these things, then ultimately we are polluting what? Environment. So the title will be environmental pollution. Everyone look, environmental pollution. So I am going to teach you today about environmental pollution. Everyone look, English for today book, unit 5, lesson 2, environmental pollution. Dear students, please open page at 58. Okay. Class 9. It will be also helpful for class 10. Subject English first paper, unit 5, lesson 2. We are going to our next slide. Student, dear student, please open page at 58. Okay, learning outcomes. Before going to our passage, we should know learning outcome. What is learning outcome? Learning outcome means what we are going to learn after finishing a lesson. Let's see. After this lesson, students will be able to learn what is pollution. Then they can be able to describe different kinds of pollution. Then third one, they will be able to recover this pollution. Okay. Then important vocabularies. Before going to a lesson or passage or anything, we should know vocabularies. Without vocabularies, we won't be able to understand the main topics. Listen. First one is environment. What is environment? The surroundings in which we live. In easy word, whatever you see around you, all the things are element of environment, or all the things makes environment. Pollution, that means contamination. In easy word, if you make a clean things unclean, then it will be pollution. For this, I can show you interesting thing. Do you want to see? Okay, let's do. Have a look. A glass of pure water. I can drink it, but I won't. Have you seen? Now, I'm showing something. Have a look. What's this? Do you want to eat now? So do you want to drink it? I won't. So, this clean water, I make this clean water dirty. So, it's a pollution. Do you understand? Okay. Next one. Air. The invisible gases substance surrounding the earth. It's invisible, but without this, we can't live. Let's do a practical action. Just a second or minutes, you stop your breath. Stop taking breath. I can't. I have to take breath. What I'm taking, this is air. Definitely I can't, or no one can live without this air. Have you understood? I think this word you understood very nicely. Have a look. Soil, upper layer of earth in which plants grow. Wherever you want to plant something, you need soil. Without soil, we can't plant anything. Another one, poisonous, a substance which is harmful. Okay, then exhaust, waste gases or air expelled from engine. Then fertilizer, a chemical or natural substance added to soil to increase fertility. Which things you use to increase soil's fertility? These are fertilizer. Pesticide, a substance used for destroying insects. Sometimes insects destroy our crops. That time, to get rid from the insects, we use pesticides. Have you understood? I think you have understood. Then we are going to the next slide. I am going to show you some pictures. Have a look. The powerhouses are emitting smokes. That means exhaust. Then this car is emitting smokes. That means exhaust. And water pollution, soil pollution, industrial waste. Industrial wastes make the water polluted. Then another picture. Have you seen? What is this? Polythene. Polythene also make the soil dirty and polluted. Another picture. This man is spraying pesticide in his crop field. Then fertilizer. All the pictures shows environmental pollution. Have you seen? all the pictures shows environmental pollution, and our today's topic is also environmental pollution. Then we are going to the next slide. Everyone look at the screen very carefully. There are 3 pictures, and all the pictures are showing air pollution. We pollute air in different ways. What are the ways? Let's see. Air pollution comes from poisonous exhaust from industrial plants, bridges, kilns, or service vehicles, and dust of road and construction sites. All the things are responsible for air pollution. So how we can get rid from this air pollution? Let's see. We have to reduce this air pollution. We have to take some steps. Less use of vehicles. Then reduce the use of lubricants. Lubricants means gas, oil, grease, these types of things. We won't throw these kinds of things in air, water. Then create awareness. It's very important. We should create awareness among people if we want to reduce the air pollution. Encourage people to use CNG or LP gas. Instead of petrol, diesel, we have to use these types of gas. Have a look. There is a picture. Yeah, these 2 pictures are showing water pollution and soil pollution. Have a look. Water pollution, soil pollution, soil pollution. How we pollute air and water and soil? Let's see. First one, increase sediment from soil. How we increase sediment from soil? By rainfall, flood, in different ways. Improper waste disposal and littering. Then erosion, leakage of soil pollution to water supplies, organic materials that decay in water supplies, etc. How we can reduce this? We are going to see in this next slide ways of reducing water and soil pollution. Let's see. More careful about disposing household waste. Then aware of the danger of using pesticides. When we will use pesticides, we should be careful. Industrial waste must not be disposed in river or lakes. Then natural fertilizer and compost can be used. Instead of chemical fertilizer, we should use natural fertilizer and compost. And last but not the least, this is 5, planting trees and reforesting. We will plant more and more trees and we will make our world green. Okay? Evaluation. It's very important, but you are not in front of me. You will write these questions in your paper, notebook, and when you will come to your school, then you will submit it. What are some of the common sources of environmental pollution? I discussed these things in previous slides. You have to complete this. Then another one, which of these are most threatening for our environment? From this, which are most threatening? I know you are very smart. You will be able to complete this. Then homework. You are at home, that's why you have to do more and more homework so that you can prepare yourself for the exam. Write a paragraph about environment pollution. Whatever you can, you will write on your notebook and I will check out when you will come to your school. Okay? Thank you. Okay, till the next class, dear students. Goodbye. Stay safe and stay healthy. Allah Hafiz. Miss you, students.